Hello everybody! Welcome to our video on the top 6 modern kitchen design ideas for 2024. If you're looking to revamp your kitchen or simply stay updated with the latest trends, you're in the right place. In today's fast-paced world, the kitchen isn't just a place for cooking, it's the heart of the home where families gather, friends mingle, and memories are made. That's why keeping your kitchen design fresh and functional is key to creating a space that truly reflects your style and meets your needs. Throughout this video, we'll delve into 6 exciting trends that are shaping modern kitchens in 2024. From minimalist aesthetics to high-tech appliances, we'll explore how these ideas can transform your kitchen into a stylish and efficient hub. So, whether you're a seasoned designer or someone embarking on their first kitchen renovation journey, join us as we uncover the secrets to a modern and inviting kitchen space. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the trend of minimalist and streamlined aesthetics in modern kitchens. Picture a kitchen with clean lines, sleek finishes, and a clutter-free atmosphere. This design approach emphasizes simplicity and functionality, creating a space that feels both spacious and visually appealing. In a minimalist kitchen, every element serves a purpose, from the countertops to the cabinets. The focus is on quality over quantity, with a preference for durable materials and efficient layouts. By embracing minimalism, you can achieve a calming and organized environment that enhances your cooking experience. Stay tuned as we explore more about minimalist design and how you can incorporate this trend into your own kitchen makeover. Whether you're a fan of sleek modernity or prefer a more traditional look with a minimalist twist, there's something for everyone in the world of modern kitchen design. Now, let's shift our focus to the concept of open-concept kitchens, a trend that continues to gain popularity in modern home design. Imagine a kitchen seamlessly connected to the dining and living areas, creating a spacious and inviting atmosphere for gatherings and conversations. Open-concept kitchens are more than just a trend, they represent a lifestyle centered around connectivity and shared experiences. By removing barriers and walls, these layouts promote better flow and functionality, allowing for easy interaction while cooking and entertaining. One of the key benefits of an open-concept kitchen is the sense of expansiveness it brings to your home. It creates a unified space where family members can cook, dine, and relax together without feeling isolated in separate rooms. In the next segment, we'll delve deeper into the advantages of open-concept kitchens and explore creative ways to incorporate this design trend into your own home. Whether you're renovating an existing space or planning a new build, open-concept layouts offer endless possibilities for creating a modern and inclusive environment. Moving forward, let's talk about the importance of integrating high-tech appliances into modern kitchens. In today's digital age, technology has revolutionized the way we cook, clean, and organize our spaces. From smart refrigerators that keep track of inventory to touchless faucets for added hygiene, these appliances are more than just gadgets, they're practical solutions that enhance our daily lives. High-tech appliances not only offer convenience, but also improve efficiency in the kitchen. Imagine having a refrigerator that suggests recipes based on its contents or a stovetop that adjusts heat levels automatically. These innovations make cooking more enjoyable and accessible to everyone, regardless of culinary expertise. Additionally, high-tech appliances contribute to a sleek and futuristic aesthetic, complementing modern kitchen design seamlessly. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply value efficiency in your daily routines, integrating these appliances can elevate your kitchen to new heights of functionality and style. Stay tuned as we explore more about the latest high-tech appliances and how you can incorporate them into your own kitchen design. From smart ovens to connected dishwashers, the possibilities are endless for creating a truly modern and efficient cooking space. Now, let's delve into the trend of earth tones in modern kitchen design for 2024. Earthy color palettes, including greens, blues, and warm neutrals, are making a significant impact in creating a calming and organic atmosphere in kitchens. By incorporating earth tones into your kitchen, you can bring a sense of nature indoors, creating a harmonious and inviting space. These colors not only add depth and warmth, but also complement a variety of design styles, from contemporary to rustic. One of the advantages of using earth tones is their versatility. Whether you opt for a subtle hint of green in your backsplash or embrace rich blues in your cabinetry, these colors can be tailored to suit your personal taste and preferences. Let's now shift our focus to functional storage solutions, a crucial aspect of modern kitchen design. Efficient storage not only enhances the functionality of your kitchen but also helps maintain a clean and organized space. Imagine having pull-out drawers for easy access to pots and pans, built-in organizers for spices and utensils, and pantry systems that maximize storage capacity. These solutions not only declutter your kitchen but also make cooking and meal preparation more enjoyable and efficient. Functional storage is all about optimizing every inch of space to ensure everything has its designated place. From cabinet organizers to clever shelving units, there are numerous ways to maximize storage without compromising on style or aesthetics. In the upcoming segment, we'll explore creative storage solutions and provide practical tips on how to design a kitchen that meets your storage needs. Whether you have a small kitchen or a spacious one, implementing functional storage solutions can transform your space into a well-organized and functional hub for culinary activities. Stay tuned for more insights and inspiration on creating a kitchen that's not only beautiful but also highly functional with smart storage solutions. Now, let's explore the trend of statement range hoods in modern kitchen design. Range hoods are no longer just functional appliances, they have become focal points that add style and personality to the kitchen. Imagine a striking range hood with unique design elements or a bold color that makes a statement in your culinary space. These statement range hoods not only provide ventilation but also become eye-catching features that elevate the overall aesthetics of your kitchen. One of the advantages of statement range hoods is their ability to create a visual focal point. Whether you prefer a sleek and modern design or a more elaborate and artistic hood, there are options available to suit every style and preference. Let's now discuss how to integrate mixed fixtures in modern kitchen design. Mixing different materials and finishes, such as metals, wood, and stone, can add depth and visual interest to your kitchen space. Imagine combining stainless steel appliances with matte black faucets and wooden countertops for a contemporary yet warm look. This mixing of fixtures creates a dynamic and personalized kitchen design that reflects your unique style. One of the benefits of mixed fixtures is the opportunity to create contrast and balance in your kitchen. By combining textures and colors, you can create a cohesive and harmonious space that feels inviting and sophisticated. In the upcoming segment, we'll explore creative ways to incorporate mixed fixtures into your kitchen, from selecting complementary finishes to balancing different elements for a cohesive look. Whether you prefer a modern industrial vibe or a more eclectic and personalized style, mixing fixtures allows you to create a kitchen that truly stands out. Stay tuned for more insights and inspiration on designing a modern kitchen with mixed fixtures that elevate the overall design and functionality of your space. As we wrap up our exploration of the top modern kitchen design ideas for 2024, we hope you've gained valuable insights and inspiration for creating your dream kitchen. From minimalist aesthetics to high-tech appliances, earthy color palettes, functional storage solutions, statement range hoods, and mixed fixtures, these trends offer endless possibilities for designing a space that reflects your style and meets your needs. Remember, the key to a successful kitchen design is finding the right balance between functionality and aesthetics. Whether you're embarking on a full kitchen renovation or making minor upgrades, consider how these trends can enhance the overall look and usability of your space. We encourage you to incorporate these ideas creatively, taking into account your personal preferences and lifestyle. Your kitchen should not only be a place for cooking, but also a welcoming and functional hub where memories are created and shared. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the latest trends in modern kitchen design. We look forward to seeing your amazing kitchen transformations and hearing about your design adventures. Stay inspired, stay creative, and happy cooking!